Hi guys, so I went to Interfield Clinic for teeth scaling and polishing. But before I start, let me welcome everybody to my channel. Old viewers, new viewers, you're all welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Thank you. Okay, so guys, I was nervous. I was actually seriously nervous because what I read online was that this process is actually very painful, and when I get there they'll give me anesthesia and all of that. Guys, I was scared and I was shaking, but let me tell you the truth now. If you're planning on going for teeth scaling and polishing, trust me, it is not painful at all. I only experienced some small sharp 5 seconds pain, but it is not painful. And again, let me give you advice that I wish I knew before going there. Make sure you eat like 5 hours or 4 hours before going for your teeth scaling and polishing. Make sure you eat sharp before this whole process, so that you have something in your stomach. Because after the whole process I realized I couldn't chew and I didn't eat before going there, so I was starving. Like, I was seriously starving. So make sure you eat before going for all this, so you have something in your stomach. Because the only pain me I felt is chewing after the process. Apart from that, no, there was no pain at all. Apart from the tiny sharp pain I was feeling. Maybe, yeah, because I know there's something in my mouth and I was nervous at first. I don't know. But this process is not painful. After everything, I couldn't chew. So that's the only pain I experienced. I couldn't chew. I had to swallow a bar. So there'll be something in my stomach. So that is my advice for you. Oh, eat before the process, and the process is not painful at all. Forget the noise and everything when they are doing it and all. The process is not painful at all. Then what else did I experience? Okay, I think I experienced something like blisters in my mouth. I had a, what's it called, it was as if my mouth tore somehow, and my lips, I don't know. Let me say it's blisters, sure. So that's that for that. Now let me take you through the before and after. So this was my teeth before, and you see that there's difference. This is the after. So I removed all the dirt that normal brush and toothpaste won't remove. So now my teeth is clean. After every freshen up and take nice pictures. Bye.